We live in a fast-moving society. Unnoticed, industries throughout the world are working to produce the products which meet our everyday needs. When technology fails an industry, JC Electronics is ready with the solution. We ensure that technology which has worked before can work again. We contribute to the circular economy. Your defective and used industrial electronics do not have to be destroyed. We repair and refurbish your products and provide a minimum 12-month warranty. The reconditioned electronics can be reused in various production processes, thus preventing any wastage of resources. Our highly trained specialist staff receive and recondition the electronics, which are examined, repaired as necessary, and extensively tested. Our R&D department repairs, researches, and develops various electronic applications, such as specialized tools to improve the speed of repairs. The knowledge we build up is shared via our internal business school. We train new and existing employees to become specialized professionals, or kept up to date with the latest technological developments and able to deliver the highest quality. We also train people who have difficulty getting into the job market at our JC Academy. We believe that what or who has worked before can work again. In this way, we can guarantee the continuity of every production process by having the correct knowledge and stock to hand. When a refurbished product has met our strict quality requirements, it can be repackaged and replaced in stock. Our international sales team is ready to help, quickly searching for a suitable solution. We can usually dispatch this around the world within 24 hours. We have thousands of new and refurbished industrial electronics in our stockroom. Everything has been extensively tested, is competitively priced, and comes with a guarantee. JC Electronics. Think in solutions.